Hello, we are students from Malang State Polytechnic from Information Technology Department and Informatic Engineering. So in this video, we will remastering Ubuntu using Cubic. First of all, we need to download the ISO for Ubuntu version 22.04. You can see that we already download the ISO for Ubuntu. And next is we need to log in to root terminal. To perform system level modification, you need to root access. We need to open the terminal and then try to following this command. Okay, after we already enter the password for username, and then we need to install the Cubic for remastering Ubuntu ISO. Try again. Okay, you can see that in here we already add the Cubic PPA repository for Cubic, and then we need to update the package list. We need to enter first. Okay, it will loading. Okay, after that we need to write this command sudo apt update. Okay, after that we need to install Cubic using sudo apt install Cubic. Yes. Okay, wait until the process is finished. Okay, this already finished, and then we create a folder for output ISO mkdir e slash home slash Joseph slash customizes. Okay,
Okay, after creating the folder, then we will go and launch the Cubic and then set up the process here. So first we will choose the file here, and then the file that we already created is this one. Then we will choose it and click select, and then we will click on the next here. So here you can see here, these are the specification. The name is here. You can just put the name you want, and these are all the ISO file is here. So we'll go to customize directly. Then this is the terminal. So we already created everything yesterday, but we had an error. So we're going to continue from here. So inside the Cubic terminal, we already installed the application. So what we need to do is to remove the unneeded games. So what we're going to do here is to type this one to remove the unneeded games. Then click enter. So you can see right now here they have been removed. They have been removed already. So we will continue to the next step. So the next step is to set up the network configuration. So but first of all, we will first need to install the network manager and set the tools to wireless tools. So here we will type system Okay, we will first need to install the network. Yeah. So apt in install network. So network manager, net tools, then click enter. So it's installing right now. We just keep on waiting, and then after, yeah, it's done right now. The installing is done. So what we need to do is to enable the network manager to start to boot. So we will type system ctl. Network manager, and then we click enter. Yeah, now it's done. Okay, so here after we set up the network configuration, we will need to create the default user, and we will need to also enable the auto login. So let us create the user. Yeah, here we have already created. We need to put the password that we are going to use later to log in. So here we will type the password, then click enter. It says that the password is not good, so we will type the password again.
Student 1 2.
Okay. Yeah, here now we have set up the password. We will need to put the username. The username will be Brian. Then room number, you can just 1234, enter, and then phone number, enter. That's enter. Yeah, so it will ask you if the information is correct or not. So the information is correct. Here we will press yes, then click enter.
So I will explain about the cleanup system. So we have to type apt remove is to is to remove unused dependencies. Then after that, sudo apt auto clean. This is to delete all debt. Then we have to wait. This step ensures your custom ISO doesn't carry unnecessary baggage, making it faster and more efficient. So, okay, so it's already done. Next, we'll be replacing the Ubuntu rebranding from the custom look and the feel. We use cd user share icons high color. Apps. Now after that we have to drag and drop from the file manager here. Wait, this one, and just click copy, and it's already moved. And then we have the IMV wallpaper, the name of the file, GPG Ubuntu logo icon PNG. And then have to exit the user share. You have to go to the another CD. Is also user share for the background. Tadi kan logo ya, sama aja. Okay. So we have to drag and drop again. You can use another file. It's okay. It's because I just have one, so yeah. Then type wallpaper JPG JPG were the final Ubuntu PNG. Okay, it's already done. So next we have to exit this part first to one. Then install the Plymouth themes. Apt install Plymouth. Oh, themes. And enter. Okay, CSR is already success. Then we have to click next, and we have to wait. And then just click next. I will use exit, then generate. This process will take a long time, so you just need to have you just have to wait. Okay, so if everything is done, you can just close it and then test the ISO you already create in the VMware. Okay, so this is the result from the ISO that we already create. You can see that the wallpaper is already changed, and there's the new application. There's Blender, free chat, and the OBS Studio. Yeah, like that. And after the updatation, after the update, for the Ubuntu itself it have 5 gigabyte memory, and the new one is increased to 6. So I guess that's all from our group. Thanks for the attention.